Let's take up question number 10. If S and S dash be the foci of an ellipse and B be any one of the extremities of its minor axis, correct? If triangle S dash BS is a right angle triangle with area of the triangle as 8 units and right angled at B, correct? Now, then the length of the lattice rectum is required. Not a difficult one. Let's first make some drawing part. We have the x axis, y axis, and let's draw the ellipse here. So, we have an ellipse like this, correct. Now, question says that we have foci S and S dash. Let us say this is S dash, this is S and this is B. Now, area of the triangle. So, let us first draw the triangle here, this one and this one, right. Let us mark the points. This is B, S, S dash. We know the coordinate for B, that is 0 comma B. Coordinate for S and S dash, it is given, this is right angle triangle. So, let us start it. Product of slopes, that is B upon minus AE into B upon AE is minus 1, giving you B equals AE as one equation, right. Area of the triangle is given to me. Let us write down also half into B into 2AE or EA is 8. We get simply B equals AE. So, right here B square is equal to 8 is equal to A square E square, that is clear. Now, also we have one equation with us that says B square is A square into 1 minus E square. When you put here 8 is equal to A square minus 8, that gives you A equals 4. What we are looking for? Length of lattice rectum. So, lattice rectum is given by simply 2B square by A or 2 into 8 into divided by 4, that is equal to 4, right. So, let us write down the length of the lattice rectum for this ellipse is simply 4 units. So, the correct answer is option number 2. Let us move on to the next one, that is 11th question. Let f be a differentiable function such that f1 is 2 and f dash x is equal to fx. If hx is f of fx, we have to find h dash 1. Let us start it. It says dy by dx is equal to y. Let us say I am writing fx as y. So, we have simply dy by y is equal to dx, or log y is x plus say log c. Eliminating log, we can write y is equal to cex, y meaning fx is equal to f of x. Now, given to me f1 is equal to 2. So, we have f1 is equal to 2 is equal to simply ce. So, we get the value for c is 2 by e. Therefore, function is fx equals 2 e to the power x minus 1. That is clear. Now, hx is f of fx. We need derivative. Let us find out. This is f dash fx into f dash x. We need the derivative at x equals 1. So, h dash 1 is f dash f1 into f dash 1. Now, what is f1? When you substitute here x is equal to 1, right, you can get the value of s2, also it is given in the question itself. So, this is f dash 2 into f dash 1, what we are looking for. Find the derivative of the function f dash x, it is 2 e to the power x minus 1 itself. So, f dash 1 is 2 and f dash 2 is 2e. Therefore, h dash 1 is obtained as the product of the two terms, that is 4e. Let's check out from the given options. Correct answer for the question is yes, option number 3. Let's mark and mention this as the correct answer. Let's move on to the 12th question of the paper. If the function f given by this cubic for some a from real numbers is increasing in the interval 0 to 1 and decreasing in the interval 1 to 5, what does it mean? It is increasing in 0 to 1, then decreasing in 1 to 5, meaning 1 is the point of maxima. Yes, the derivative will be 0 at x equals 1. So, let us start it. F dash x is 3x square minus 6 into a minus 2x plus 3a is equal to 0 at x equals 1. Substituting, we have 3 minus 6a plus 12 plus 3a is equal to 0. So, that gives us minus 3a plus 15 equals 0 or a equals 5. Substitute the value of a back in this function to get fx. So, what we are getting as fx? Let us write down. Therefore, fx equals x cube minus, let us see the next term here. We have 3 into a minus 2, a is 5. So, it is simply 3 into 3, that is 9x square, then plus 15x plus 7. So, minus 9x square plus 15x plus 7, that is the function fx, right. Now, what next they are looking for? They are asking for fx minus 14 divided by x minus 1 whole square. So, fx minus 14 divided by x minus 1 whole square equals 0 is giving us x cube minus 9x square plus 15x minus 7 divided by x minus 1 whole square. This part is clear. Now, when you substitute here x equals 1 in the numerator, you can see this is 1 minus 9 plus 15 minus 7, that is simply 0, right. So, derivative we already know for the function plus 7 minus 7, whatever you mark here, the derivative will become 0, constant is not going to make any difference, meaning it is a function having x minus 1 as double root, right. So, we have the factors finally, this is equal to 0. When you factorize, you get x minus 1 whole square into x minus 7 divided by x minus 1 whole square is equal to 0 or x is equal to 7. Let us move on to check what is the correct answer. The correct answer for this question is option number 4. So, let us mark and mention it as the correct answer. Let us move on to the next one.